Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MBA Mohit Sharma. Today I am going to talk about a very simple but very effective tool which is 5S. 5S represents sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. In this video I will talk about what is 5S and how it is used in ITES industry. I will also try and explain this with the help of a game. So let's get started with the video. Today I am going to talk about 5S. What is 5S? 5S is a lean tool which helps in workplace organization. In 5S, the first step is sorting and prioritizing. Going through all the tools, materials, etc. in the work area and keeping only the essential items. Everything else is sorted or discarded. What does it mean? It means whatever is not needed, remove. So what I mean is that create a reg tag area and put whatever is not needed on the daily basis in that area. Second step is straighten or set in order. Straighten or set in order focuses on efficiency by arranging the tools, equipment, visual dashboards and parts in a manner that promotes workflow. For everything there should be a place and everything should be in its place. The next in 5S is shining or cleanliness. Systematic cleaning or the need to keep the workplace clean as well as neat. At the end of each shift, the work area is cleaned up and everything is restored to its place. The next in 5S is standardizing. Standardized work practices are operating in a consistent and standardized fashion. Everyone knows exactly what his or her responsibilities are to keep above 3 S's. The last but not the least is sustaining the discipline. So sustaining the discipline refers to maintaining and reviewing standards. Once the previous 4 S's have been established, they become the new way to operate. So I will take a very simple example to help you understand this. If you visit a chemist shop, you ask a chemist a medicine which starts from alphabet A till Z, they will get you that in less than a minute. What is that they have done? They have implemented 5S beautifully. So everything is sorted, whatever is not needed or expired, they put it in another area which they don't call it red tag, but if you observe there is a area where they have written expired medicines. They will put their medicines there, whichever is not needed or required they put it there. The second is they set them in order. They set all the medicines as per the alphabets A to Z. The next thing is they clean it. They have properly cleaned all the medicines and they have placed them in the particular order. And then they have standardized it and they have made the process that the new medicines which will come in the shop, they will put them in their designated places. And they are sustaining that day in and out to meet the end customer requirement. They want their customers to wait very less for the medicines, so that is what they are sustaining it over a period of time. So the 5S examples could be seen at our homes, in our kitchens, where every box is labeled like tea, coffee, sugar, and they are perfectly placed in the order. Whatever jar or glass is broken has been thrown away, the new ones have replaced them. The ladies or the maids in the house have made it a standard process that whatever is broken they will replace it, plus they will keep everything at their designated places. So that's how the entire thing is managed in the kitchens as well. ITES industry can use 5S very well. They can manage their desktops, they can manage their mailboxes. Whatever is not needed they can remove, they can set them in order. And there is a rule that everyone should follow whosoever is trying to use 5S. Whatever is needed on a daily basis should be kept very close to the side drawers. Whatever is needed in a week's or 2 weeks time should be kept in the bigger almirahs, which is like inside the room only, but they should be kept away from you. Whatever is needed on quarterly or half yearly basis should be kept away and stored in the stores. And still, if you are not using anything for last 2 to 3 years, you should discard that. Let us play a game to understand this better. What I have to do, I have to select number 1 to 30 and I have to bold them. And let's see in how much time I can do that. I am using both the hands. So it has taken me 3 minutes 47 seconds. Now, if I show you this slide, which is my next slide, I have applied 5S on this slide. So everything is sorted, of the same size and they are in the proper order. Now if I have to bold all of them, I can select together and I can do a Control B and bold them, all of them together. It is taking me a split of a second. That if we implement 5S, time taken is very less and the errors are close to zero. Let's take an example from ITES industry as well. So one of our implementations of 5S has reduced the time to generate a report from 3 hours to 10 minutes. How that got implemented? The first step is sorting of data. Finance team used to generate reports which had data from 2010 till date. Team only required data for last 1 year to do that analysis. Logic used to pull information was modified and this has reduced report generation time. Step 2 was to set everything in order. Team needed data in a particular order while performing analysis and hence team had set all the columns in that particular order. It saved analysis time. Step 3 was to shine. The entire report was cleaned. Cells and data columns, those were not required, were removed. This speeded up the report generation time. Step 4 was standardize. Earlier report was run during the day and it used to take a lot of productivity time of the employee and machine. Now a standardized process has been created around the time of report generation. Every morning before the shift starts, one person will run the report for 10 minutes. Step 5 is sustain. All the activities described above are sustained for last 3 months and now it is business as usual for the team. I hope by now you would have understood what is 5S, how it can be implemented in your workplace and how you can use that in your daily life as well. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I will see you soon with another important topic. Thank you so much for watching.